A humidifier can help improve the quality of your life by combating the harmful effects of dry air. Sinus problems, bloody noses, and asthma are a few of the issues caused by dry air. Not only will our ultrasonic humidifier help you breathe better, but it will also help improve the quality of your skin and hair. The humidifier can help you breathe, sleep, and even look younger. Our ultrasonic humidifier is quiet, so you won't be disturbed while you sleep. Purchase this tremendous ultrasonic humidifier today on our website. You won't regret it. The link is given in the description.